Move over. Charcuterie board. There's a new trend in town called the butter board. It's fun, fancy, and super easy to make. A butter board is exactly what it sounds like. A wooden board or platter spread with soft, creamy butter and topped with delicious flavors. Whether you're having friends over or just want to try something new, a butter board is a fun way to snack, share, and impress. Let's learn 3 cool facts about butter boards. Fact number 1. It started as a trend on social media. The butter board became popular thanks to TikTok and Instagram. People love the idea of spreading butter on a board and making it look beautiful. It's like art you can eat. You just spread the butter. Add toppings like honey, herbs, garlic, chili flakes, nuts, or even fruit, and scoop it up with bread or crackers. It's creative, fun, and tasty. Fact number 2. You can make it sweet or savory. One of the best things about butter boards is how customizable they are. You can make them savory with things like garlic and herbs, sea salt and pepper, crumbled bacon, or cheesier. You can make them sweet with honey or maple syrup, berries, or jam, cinnamon and sugar. It all depends on what you like and what you have in the kitchen. Fact #3. It's a perfect snack for sharing. Butter boards are great for parties, family dinners, or picnics. Everyone can grab a piece of bread or a cracker and scoop up the butter with all the toppings. It's a fun way to eat together, and there's almost no cooking involved. All you need is butter, a board, toppings, and bread, and you're ready to snack like a pro. Final thoughts. The butter board is more than just food. It's a fun and fancy way to enjoy butter like never before. With sweet and savory options, it's easy to make and fun to share. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.